Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob's Nerd Knives. Today we've got a special unboxing of something coming in from Traditional Pocket Knives. C. Risner, Traditional Pocket Knives. I got something in from them. Let's take a look. I think it's pretty cool. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my Dalibor Bergam. This is the Asgard, made by Riot. This is the Magna Cut. Love this knife. Such a great little thing. I hope he comes out with some more. I think he was talking about doing some more. We'll see. He's a super busy guy making all these custom knives, you know. All right, let's see. What do we have? Ooh, we have something exclusive here. Ooh, we got stickers. Lots of stickers. Oh, receipt. Sorry, might have to blur it out. Let's see here. What's it say? All right. Cool. You are welcome. I'm happy to shop with you guys. It's just wrapping stuff, so put that over there. But we got stickers. You know I love a Jolly Rancher. And they always give a little nice Band-Aid, which I will end up using at some point. Merry Christmas. Oh, there's the Divo Knives. I love these. These will be part of the giveaway. I always love putting stuff in, especially when I got something from them. I think that's super cool. But this is the exciting thing. I'm telling you. This is, you know, I like Divo. And Divo's really cool. Kevin and Colin, you know, Lefty EDC. Make some great stuff, but this is a premium one. This is rather fancy, and I think we're going to really dig this one. All right, Traditional Pocket Knives boxing that we have here. Ooh, the Jellica Silicate, if you're looking for that. All right, you ready? Now, I don't know if you can see this packaging. This looks very similar to like what the Dalibor Bergam came in and what my Zorn came in. So here, let's take a look. Ooh, dude, let's take a look. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is Crystal Tie. Look at that purple and blue. It's like a purple. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. This is, I think, the first Divo knives. He may have had others, but it's my first Divo knives made by Riot. So let's feel this. It already feels more premium. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, Kevin, Colin, come on. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. And of course, right here. Oh, look at this. Even got like a little, is it like that? Look like a little groove there. It feels like your hand. Oh, just beautiful. All right. And then, so I can go down here. I can go up high. Oops. Okay. So there we go. Bolstered. The bolstered frame lock. Right? Steel bar insert, over travel stop right there, I think, right? Do we have an over travel stop? You don't need one on this one because it's got this right here. Got the bolstered scale. Love the clip. Nice and bendy. Yeah, I like that. Love this back spacer, front and back. This is number 37 and 50. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay, I've seen a lot of beautiful crystal ties so far. Loved it. I think it's all cool, but this is one of my favorites so far. This is really outstanding. Oh, we got to see this in the sun. I bet this is gorgeous. All right. Is it a hollow grind? Wait. It feels like a hollow grind. All right, wait. Gotta get a piece of paper here. Oh yeah, that's a hollow grind. May not be as big a hollow grind, but it's definitely a hollow grind. Let's see. Oh man. Finger choil. Oh yeah. Nice and choked. Oh, we got a little extra jimping. It works. Jimping there. That works. I love the hidden lanyard kind of hole. It's not in the way. Absolutely drop right on the finger choil. But look at this. Absolutely not in the way. You had a pretty deep pocket carry, but lanyard's not priority. Hidden hardware. Love that T8 there. T8 there, so it probably screws hidden underneath. Bring it together. I'm going to guess here and here. Likely. That's cool. That's stinking cool. All right, let's do this again. Now, I will tell you, I'm a little surprised. It's a front flipper. So you usually tune for a front flipper priority, right? You don't tip, you don't flip, you don't tune for a regular flipper back here. And I will tell you, it's not super crazy, crunchy, crisp, which I personally really like. I think it's tuned perfectly for the front flipper. Let's do this. Wait, hold on. Let me just get my grip. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, let's see. Do we have any sort of billboarding on here? Is there anything? Okay, so Divo exclusive Lush 2 blue crystallized titanium. Do we have any other information here? I'm pretty sure this S90V blade steel. I'm pretty sure that's the case. I'll have to look it up. Let me see if it says on the receipt. Oh, no. Vanax super clean. Oh, and it's like completely clean. Oh, man. Come on, Kevin. Dude, this is so crisp and clean. Wow. Dead nut center. Absolutely. Nice and sharp. Let's look at that edge. Oh, yeah. That's good. It's a good edge. Very good edge. Love the satin finish. And satin finish on that one. Beautiful. Little swedge on top just for a nice little touch. Got jimping there and there. That works really well. Got a little nice cutout to the lock bar. Easy to get to with a little kind of chamfering. I don't know what you call it. Cutout. More of a cutout than a chamfering. Right? Let's see. Okay. Chamfered over. Okay. Yep. All right. We're chamfered around there. No sharp. No sharp. No sharp. Okay. Do that again. Okay. Great. Oh my gosh. I haven't put any oil in there yet, but oh, it's got like a nice, when it closes too. Hold on. Right, let's get real close. You hear that? Any D10 lash? Now it is a very light lock bar, but I don't mind personally. I think this would be too light for Kevin. I think he'd tighten this one up. I could see him tighten this up, but I like it. I like a little lighter D10, especially for a front flipper, because then for me, it just becomes very enjoyable to do this, right? Now, I will tell you, it is pretty light that I'm pretty sure I can, yeah. I had to, pretty hard to flip it, but it is not super tight on this one. I'm sure this is more the exception, but I'll tell you, man, I love this crystal tie. It's freaking gorgeous. All right, we got to zoom in and take a look at this. Hollow grind right here. Beautiful swedge on top. Love the nice big fuller. It's got enough of an edge to get in there. Some nice jimping on top. Works really great. Even edge, beautiful hand satin finish. Love the hollow grind. Captive pivot right there. I did talk to Kevin. One of the things he wants to do, if this does well and he does another run, he's going to put a little texture on here. I think that would be a beautiful touch. It does. I don't think it needs it. I think it's gorgeous as it is. But sure, that would be awesome. That would be just creme de la creme. But this crystal tie, I really, really, really like this crystal tie. That's nice. I'm sure people have seen fancier and other stuff, but I really like it. And the back here, oh, that's nice. You see that? And I love this little lanyard. Okay, so we go over here. Clip is nice, even going in and out pocket. Got nice flexibility. Got a bolster frame lock. Right? Really, really nice. All right. The clip back here, hidden hardware inside. Oh. There's texture inside. This is a Divo X TPK. Oh, so it has Divo and a TPK collab. This is a collab, a full collab between them. All right, nice job, guys. I really like the way this looks. T8s all the way around. Love that. Love this blade. I love how clean it is. There is no billboarding of any kind. I can't see it unless it's hidden in here somewhere. There it is. I mean, it's like right next to the tang. Look at that. Look at that. Hold on. Can you see it? I mean, talk about like hiding any billboarding to the extreme point you cannot see it. But that's awesome. And then you do it on the inside. That's almost like a custom, right? It's like they're getting into that level there. Super cool. Beautiful. I stinking love this. All right, we got to take a full shot here. Got to get a nice, big, beautiful shot of this knife. This is gorgeous. Oh, man. This is one of my favorite crystal ties I've seen yet. Very, very impressed. Very impressed. Man, Kevin, Colin, outstanding job. Outstanding job. I am so excited. I want to make sure I double check, but I think as of this video, there might still be some of these left. There might even be this one left. Matter of fact, I think it might be worth just checking real quick, just for the fun of it. Oh my gosh, it still is available. You can get this one still. That is insane. It's still available. I cannot believe these haven't been all picked up yet. I just don't think anybody knows about this, and I don't think you know how good this is. I really don't think anybody knows how good this is. Oh man, I bet if I put a little bit of oil, and I gotta tell you, I'm gonna put skiffs in it. Yes, I am. But man, these are some of the smoothest OEM cage bearings I have felt in a while. I don't know who tuned this, but watch this. Left-handed. See that? Bolstered frame lock. Watch this. Ready? Woo! Boom, baby. And watch this. Finger on top, right there. Ready? Let me just make sure I get a grip. Boom. Pop that baby. Boom. Pop that one too. Let's do our little knuckle flip. Knuckle flip right there, right? Boom. Boom. There we go. There we go. Go high and tight up here. Look at this. Look at this. Here, let's do a slow roll. Whoop. Slow roll. Whoop. For you guys who like the slow and easy. And regular. Just make sure my finger's clear. Whoops. Don't cut my stupid desktop. Okay. It's a little harder because I'm, you know, it's right hand, left hand tip up only. There are some lefties. I think a lot of the left, I think there was one lefty left. So there is still lefty, but they sold fast. I think lefties are really looking forward to this one. Oops, get in there. There we go. This is nice. This is really, really nice. I'm going to say something. It's my first impression. I'll let you know in the full review. This might be my favorite Divo knives ever. I know I've said that sometimes. I get a new one, but they were my favorite up to that point. But this, I think, blows away the stout version 2. It blows away a couple other ones that I really, really, really enjoyed. Even the tall boy. Even, I mean, okay, if he ever does a real premium tall boy like this, it might compete. But this, oh man, this has everything about it. It almost looks like his slip joint. Okay, so I have a barley. As a matter of fact, I'm carrying it today. So you just got to kind of see the similarity in some ways. I think it's worth comparing because this is also made by Riot, just so you know. Here's the Riot barley. So you can see his design ethic. It's there. This is a Divo's design. There's no question. It's not like he's copying anybody because he designed both. So it's like he copied himself. Oh, geez, right? But that's his design. But you can see that. It's a clean, crisp design. I love this. Man, these two guys are going to be in my pocket together. They got to be. They're like brothers and sister, or two brothers, two peas in a pod. Very, very, very nice. Very, very nice. I do enjoy carrying that. That's my slip joint, by the way. Oh, man, that action is just so good. All right, we got things to do. I got to go. All right, so let me know what you think about this. Did you get one of these? If you didn't, why? Why didn't you? Go get one. No, seriously. I mean, I think it's worth you considering. Okay, I mean, I know they're not cheap. I think there might be a little discount from somebody. I don't have an affiliate. So there's people who have affiliates. I think Kevin might have an affiliate and some other folks might have an affiliate. He doesn't do a whole lot of affiliates and I'm not big enough, right? You got to be the big 50, 100K, $500,000 kind of folks. Because, it's fair. It's his business. He can choose what he wants, who he wants to partner up with. And I totally respect that. I hope someday, because of stuff like this, that he might consider me as an affiliate because I would very much love this. This is really, really nice. I enjoy slip joints, maybe not to the level that he does, but I do love slip joints. Big fan. I really like the new QSP Glide that they've got listed too. It's in crystal tie. Might have to get that one too. But anyways, this is really nice. This is really, really nice. All right, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, informative, whatever, any of that, maybe consider hitting that like button. If you already hit that like button, maybe, just maybe, please consider hitting the subscribe button too. Why? Because subscribing and liking the channel, it does help out. It really does help me out. I know I say that and you think, oh, he's blowing sunshine up my nose. No, I'm totally serious. It allows my channel to grow. It allows me to do more things. Ultimately, more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who does follow the channel, part of the community, follow the live streams. I appreciate you so very much. Thank you. If you haven't already, maybe consider hitting that notification button down below as well, so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out to my channel members. You do two things for me. You encourage me because you're members, so thank you. Secondly, because of your generosity through your membership, you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could. For instance, I can do once a month budget banger giveaways. Secondly, I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each month we'll have, or each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but then that 1 week in a month, there'll be 2 giveaways and you're eligible for both. I always try to make the members exclusive giveaway something just a little bit nicer, something hopefully you'd enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift. It's my small way to say thank you and just let you know how much I appreciate you because you guys are amazing, right? So thank you. Thank you. If any of that sounds cool or interesting, there is a link down below in the description. I would love to have you as a channel member. I would be honored. I'd be blown away, but please don't feel pressured to do it. Do it because you want to. And if you choose to do so, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. I mean that. And some of you guys may ask, hey, I thought there was extra stuff. Yes, there is. There's special emojis here in comments here on the live stream. Yes, there's kazoo salutes. There's 1 year, 2 year, 3 anniversary exclusive content. All that's true. Yep, absolutely. It's my small way for me to say thank you to you guys and let you know how much I appreciate you. So thank you. Hey, if you haven't already, maybe consider checking me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.